My name is Wendy Eagle and I own Wellspring Equine Consulting, a business based on optimum horse welfare. I wanted to learn more about what I didn't know. Although I've been involved with horses for an awfully long time, at the same time it's always changing, new research and new understandings. And when I saw the Guelph courses online, they were affordable and I could do it at my own speed and I didn't have to go to school. I don't like classrooms much, so doing it online was absolutely perfect for me. And the memorable part is just how supportive the teaching facility, like the teaching people are, and the class aides and so forth. They're very, very supportive and wonderful to help you through things and keep you nice and calm, same as we do with our horses. I got something out of every single course that I utilize now, and my main love is the equine behavior course, and that's what I base my business on, and it's what I grow out of, but I use something from every other course. I think it's incredibly important to continue learning. Horses are always showing us new things. We're always learning new things through research, through papers, and it's very, very important to just keep that open mind and understand that as much as we learn, there's still more to learn. You never stop learning about it. You never get to a point where you know everything. And these courses, they're open to everyone. Like I said before, they're very encouraging and they help you explore beyond what the course requires because you're doing your research and so forth. And that's something you can use in everyday life, is just making sure that you do know how to do research and making sure that you do look for the answers and keep an open mind. And I think the courses are very, very good to encourage that in a person, period. Horses beside the point, just I think it's awesome.